Alright guys, so the installation is done. It looks fantastic and sounds fantastic. As you can see, I just fired it up for the first time, so there's a little bit of smoke coming out. But I will say one thing, other people have complained that there's nuts missing because the exhaust requires you to use some of the existing bolts to secure it in place. And so the nuts themselves are missing. So the only thing I have to do now is, as you can see, there's a bolt here and there's a bolt there that's sticking through, which I have to bolt together with a nut. So I need to run to the hardware store and pick up the right one with a washer, of course. But outside of that, it's fantastic. So let's hear it. So, I am very pleased with my purchase. I definitely wish I hadn't spent the money on stage one and just gone straight to these. I got a good deal on the stage ones and I was trying to be cheap, and you know what? Ended up spending money on both the pipes anyway. They're both good. It's just I like the Bassani better. I know they're more money, but I like them better. I got these from Revzilla. They were like $500 and they matched a 10% coupon I had from another vendor. So I told them I had that. They said we can match the price. So I paid $450 for the set. It's the Bassani some black slip-ons. And another thing I want to note, I want to bring attention to this, which I couldn't tell in many other videos, but the color match is immaculate. It's perfect. You would never know that these were aftermarket pipes. That's how well the color is matched. So I'm very pleased with the purchase. All right, guys, I will post a ride video later when I get a chance to get on the road with this. Right now I have to run out, get the missing nuts so I can finish the install. But outside of that, I am super pleased. I would highly recommend getting these, whether you get these from Revzilla or Amazon or wherever. I will post links for some of the things I have and where I got them. You can see them in the description once they're posted. All right, thanks for watching, guys.